Once somebody has asked him, who has made you so rich? The simple answer he gave is, my teachers made me the richest person of the world. If you ask the god of cricket, Sachin Tendulkar, who has made you the god of cricket? The common answer comes is that my teachers made me a god of cricket. If you ask our biggest industrialist, Ratanji Tata, again he is a Rotarian. If you ask him who has made you the biggest industrialist of India, he says, my teachers. My teacher teach me how to go in this industry. That is a basic profession. Even if you ask Amitabh Bachchan, who has made a big actor in the film industry, the same answer comes. The common answer is teachers. That's why teaching is a basic profession of all the professions. Even although you are a teacher, but you also learn something from your teachers. So it is a continuous process. In ancient India or in past periods, we have our Rishi Munis. They were our teachers. And that is what I believe the most respected and the most noble profession is a teaching profession. Because teachers are the builder of the nation. And that's why this award, this idea of National Nation Builder Award, every year we are doing it. 20 years, so this award for this year, and we have given a very little, hardly said, we have given target of selecting 3 teachers from all over the Penning. See, there are how many schools in Penning?
And also how they work, the different activities, how they are carrying out in Pernem Taluka. Not only in Pernem Taluka, but also in other talukas also. But I am very proud about the activities carried out by the Rotary Club in Pernem, like providing the facilities to different schools, helping lot of people with dedication. And I am very much thankful to all the Rotary members for awarding me this Nation Building Award. Once again, I would like to thank each and every one of those present here for attending this ceremony and making a proud moment for our institution. Thank you.
In front of me I see mostly all are the young teachers of Vaikont High School, Pernem. And when we see young teachers, it means that the school is blooming and it will bring henceforth much and much good results in future. Friends, this award won by Sushma teacher is titled as Nation Builder Award. And as sir said, teachers are the real nation builders. Teaching is such a profession which molds and creates all the other professions required to build up a nation. In fact, in other parts of Goa, teachers were winning this award for many years. In Goa, we have 21 Rotary clubs. In all the continents of the world, there are nearly 36,000 Rotary clubs. And Penning is Rotarians. 1.2 million are at work doing social work. And what is the motto of this Rotary? Service above self. Service above self. When you do social work has no limit. Mother Teresa is to service, म्हणजेच देवाची सर्विस. आणि लॉर्ड श्रीकृष्ण भगवद्गीतेत सांगता कर्मण्ये वाधिकारस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचन. म्हणजे कितें? प्रत्येकान आपले कर्म करीत राहा, आपले काम करीत राहा, फळाची केन्ना अपेक्षा धरप. फळ आपोआप मेळटा. तुमकां अभिमान दिसता सुषमा टीचरचो. सुषमा टीचर 14 वर्सां पूर्वी अपॉइंट जाली आणि गेली 13 वर्सां आपल्या सब्जेक्टान ती 100% रिजल्ट हाडटा. आणि दॅट इज वन ऑफ द मेन रिजन वाय दिस स्कूल इज गेटिंग 100% result to clearly. So we will be hunting many more teachers like this. I was telling you about Rotary Club. So it is spread all over the world and doing service to the people.
Senior teacher, Mrs. Sushma Gowde is a recipient of one of the meaningful award that is Nation Builder Award 2020, conferred by Rotary Club Pegnese. I, on behalf of management, staff and entire student community, I welcome the President of Rotary Club Pegne, Mr. Anil Mandrekar. We also have with him immediate past President, Rotarian Dayanand Mandrekar sir. Along with him, we have Director of Rotary Club, Mr. Sarvesh Parab, our Sushma teacher.
It will be a tremendous sweetness in our eyes. First of all, I would like to thank Rotary Club of Pernem for taking initiative to honor our teacher, Mrs. Sushma Gowde, and for arranging this wonderful program. I extend my sincere thanks to the Director of the club, Rotarian Sarvesh Parab, President of the club, Rotarian Anil Mandrekar, past President, Rotarian Dayanand Mandrekar, and other members of the club. I express my deep gratitude for the cooperation and boosting we received from our Managing Trustee and management. I also would like to thank our Headmaster, Sir Raju Pondre, for his constant support and guidance. I also thank press media and senior teachers of Bhagwati High School as well as Makme teacher. My special thanks to the teaching and non-teaching staff for their cooperation and contribution in this event. It's obviously a lifetime cherishable moment which cannot be forgotten by any one of us. Lastly, I thank each one of you for your presence and making this event a memorable one. Thank you. And
President of Rotary Club, ex-board member in headmasters category, and the retired headmaster of Peter Alvarez School, respected Shri Dayanand Mandrekar sir, Director of Rotary Club, respected Shri Sarvesh Parab, our senior most primary in charge teacher, Mrs. Parvati Mahai, well wishes. I am extremely honored and humbled to have received this Nation Builder Award. To be recognized for something that you truly love is merely amazing. I would like the credit of this to all those who made me who I am today. I will never forget a person who is like my father, who always guided me, encouraged me, always supported me, and because of whom I am working here as a mathematics teacher for last 14 years. And he is none other than the ex-managing trustee of our school, late Shri Jitendra Deshprabhu Sirji, whose blessings and memories are always with me. I am grateful to my parents. My gratitude goes to my parents. It is their love, support, encouragement, and the values they taught me that made me pursue the field of education. I am very grateful to my husband and my son also, who always supported me, encouraged me, understood me, and always believed in me. Also, I am thankful to my in-laws, whose blessings always motivated me to move on, not only in the academics, but also merely important to be a good human being. It is said that the note that teacher writes on the